Sometimes rides break down. Nice step. Sometimes I feel guilty leaving them. Spam hash.
Yep.
We just got caught in a downpour. Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday. It is 7:39 a.m. and we're going to give this another shot today.
Take two.
Take two. Going to try to get into the Magic Kingdom this morning. I need to go take Truman and Bess for a quick walk. Then we're all going to head on over. We are on our morning stroll. Let these guys get a little energy out before we let them take a nap. Sometimes I feel guilty leaving them, but then I remember before COVID, they were used to getting sleep all day while we were gone. I think they're going to look forward to having a little downtime today and tomorrow. We do have the waggle now, which I tell you, the waggle just makes me feel so much better. Knowing that if the power goes out on our trailer or the AC stops and it starts heating up, that we will get notified, text, email, or the fact that I can just go in and check it anytime I want to make sure the temperature is good. Patty, we got in!
It worked today.
Yay!
Yes!
It really is the happiest place.
Yes, when everything works.
When it works and you can get in. Nice step for a girl that's got leg issues.
Hear ye, welcome one and all to this magical kingdom.
Hey Patty, your magic band works. What are you going to do next?
I'm going to Disney World.
Let's go.
See you on the other side.
Now we're coming up on the left is Inspiration Falls. Now we call it Inspiration Falls because the longer you stare into that flowing water, now the more inspired you'll be able to go.
So we just got off of Jungle Cruise. We also did the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yep.
So Patty, what's the next attraction we're headed to?
Oh, I need to use the restroom.
Yeah, those are pretty exciting too, aren't they? We're on the People Mover. Now we're doing some of the less popular attractions, but you can get a lot more done in a short period of time if you hit some of these lesser known, but still great. I mean, to me, these are some of the classics.
Yeah, really.
So, and it's hot, and our legs are already starting to burn, so we're just going to sit here and take a tour of Tomorrowland. Sometimes rides break down. We're just sitting and waiting.
Yep. And puddling.
Yeah.
Too bad we didn't stop inside Space Mountain.
Where it was air conditioned.
Yeah.
We just finished a quick bite of lunch. We split a combo meal. It was like $20 with our beverage. It was fish, shrimp, chicken nuggets, and a side salad. So, all right, now we're gonna go hit the Emporium gift shop, and then we have to head back so I can get to my Zoom meeting.
Plus it's getting hot.
Plus it's getting hot, and we need to check on the puppies.
Yep. Had a good morning.
Good morning.
We've timed things really well. Things just went smoothly.
Yeah, I think 4 things in 3 hours is pretty good.
I think so.
And a bite of lunch. We're back in 15 minutes. That was efficient.
That was efficient today, yeah.
All right, part 2 of this day has started. I got my meeting done. Patty did laundry and took the puppies out for a little fun time in the park. And then we had to run and pick up an Amazon package. And now, Epcot. No tram, so we had to actually walk up. Patty's excited about the shade here of the monorail system.
I am.
We're gonna go in, see if we can find something to eat. We're getting hungry.
Angry.
All right, we are in.
We're in.
Tickets worked again, which is good.
Yes. You know what's interesting is I keep getting they keep pointing at me to get my bag checked. So I got my little purse.
Yeah, because you look suspicious.
I guess. People walk through with big bags, but the gentleman there said it's my eyeglasses. It looks like it could be something suspicious, so just eyeglasses.
Can't take you anywhere.
I want my other glasses so I can see.
All right, Patty, here's our first wine and food festival ever. Thought we'd have to wait a few more years because normally it starts in the fall and we can't come in the fall. They started early this year.
Right.
So you were going to do this pork slider.
Yep.
This is from Hawaii. And then I have some kind of spam hash.
Yep.
So you want to try I think it was a Kahlua slider.
Yeah, it's got pineapple in it.
Man, it looks good.
It's got sweet, and a little bit of heat, and then you got the pineapple. It's good.
This one is the spam hash.
Spam hash. Okay.
There we go.
No heat. That sauce is really good.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, I had a bite already. I cheated. It's good.
Yeah, I don't know what that sauce is, but it's good.
All right, we're going to eat this, and then we're going to go find something else to eat. This is not part of the Food and Wine. It's just their normal food booth here
their menu.
at Mexico. This is the Taco Trio. 3 different meats, rice and beans. We're going to try that. And what did this cost? $18.95. That was pretty tasty.
Yes, it was.
All 3 tacos were excellent. Actually had amazing flavor.
Very good.
And so did the beans and the rice. Well, of the 3 tacos, which was your favorite?
I'm going to go with the first one. I think I was
the shredded beef.
Yeah. And my second favorite, I think, was the fish.
And then the chicken came in last.
Well, because I think the chicken, for me at least, had a little more spice.
I would actually totally agree with you. Beef, fish, chicken. All right, let's go see what else we can find.
A bacon s'mores funnel cake.
I know, you'd think Mark could inspire it.
I think Mlynarski's in there cooking.
Maybe. So we just took in the American Experience, one of my favorite shows here. So sadly, it was only about half full.
And sadly, people got up and left.
Yeah, but
loved it.
All right, let's go find some more food before the rain lets loose.
Yeah, it's all around us.
There are storms all around us. What you eating, babe?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. We used to eat a lot of fish and chips when we worked here.
I would come over and get fish and chips and watch the British invasion.
And we have a Bass Ale. The storm is all around us. We might want to get to the parking lot. So, who knew? It's Starbucks in Epcot. The rain was coming quicker than us, so we decided to duck into the land.
Right.
Hey, how about that? Only a 10-minute wait to go ride the boats here. But there's probably a 20-minute wait for the ladies' restroom.
Probably. Want to do the land first?
No, we'll do the restroom. All right, we just got off the land.
Yes, we did.
And it's rained, you can tell.
It's a little cooler.
It's sprinkling.
Yeah, I don't mind sprinkling.
I think there's more rain coming, so we're going to try to get to the car. It's been a long day. We're going to head back.
I think it's a 2-shower day.
Head back, and tomorrow morning we're headed to the Animal Kingdom. I wasn't going to film because, you know, but you two love drama. Look, Patty's soaked. We just got caught in a downpour.
I need windshield wipers.
I would have broke out the camera to film the actual heavy rain, but you know, these are expensive phones that we use as cameras.
Here we are.
Yay!
And the rain
There's
has
Montana.
stopped.
Yeah, now that we're to the truck, the rain has stopped again. Woo, doggy! And my iWatch says I hit all my goals for today, and my feet are feeling it.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.